pink pasta, grilled chicken. Yep. I got a truffle fry. I got a chicken kebab. So I got boom, boom, boom. I got seats 1 and 2 so far. Thank you. You're good.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Lego.
Quick pause real quick.
What? Oh yeah, there it is. Yup.
I didn't check what seats.
It's fine. You could auction them off. I was just trying to know for myself, I guess. All right, ladies, it's go time. I got some chicken kebab for her. I got pink pasta grilled chicken, fries.
Got a chicken kebab, you got it.
Oh, who?
Big pasta with chicken.
Drinks are good, ladies? Cool. Yeah.
The pink pasta, is this the medium well one or the medium?
That was medium well.
Medium well?
Yeah. I'll take Bodrum. I'm gonna take Bodrum and another chicken. See?
Oh, the chicken that has
Yeah.
already been marked down. So.
Cool. Another chicken kebab. The Bodrum. This, I think it was somewhere around here, right? I remember. Yeah. Okay, cool. Cool. Coming. Yes.